Welcome to EcomBrandFoundr. So your award-winning partner is getting 6 to 7 to 20% of yearly plans. So get your first sale in the 4 weeks. So we pretty much help with run growth for 6 to 7 figure D2C brands through paid advertising, performance creative, and growth consulting. So book your free consultation today. Grow with confidence. We provide 30-day satisfaction bonus. Okay, this is an introduction video which pretty much explains the different setups, right? And also, yeah, this is a register for a callback. You can share your details. We'll just give you a call back. And we have worked with footwear plus brands. You can see Eclipse, Pureness, and NovaWear, and a couple of other brands. And we are partnered and associated with the best in the business. We partnered with the digital platforms and also with the Shopify and also a couple of payment gateways and also the fulfillment partners, right? And the complete Shopify business setup and scaling. So we provide an R&D and copyright checks. You can see a different services under that. And also we provide store setups, domain setups, logo, favicon, Shopify theme, and a couple of other things. And must-have installations and integration to run the Shopify store successfully. Marketing and ad account setups. We also help you with creating the Facebook Business Manager, ads count, pixel domain, everything end to end, and also advanced Shopify flows and automations, project and financial management, right? Okay, the total value is 10,000 pesos of current market value, but we charge a fraction of it. And the next thing is, okay, we provide 3 different bonuses. We provide 1 hour consultation and training for you personalized. And the second thing is about that 1 CRO and the ad optimization is the second bonus that we provide. And the third one is private resource vault to templates, SOPs, and checklists. You can see the different value and the estimated market value for these bonuses that we provide for free. So take action. We intake only limited spots every 2 months. And apply now and get your store ready for success. And what if this 15 minutes call transforms your life for good? And think and take action smartly. There's no tomorrow. Success begins with first step you take today, right? And the next thing is, okay, we provide 3 different services. So the first one is D2C and a POD complete store setup, integration, marketing, and creative and scaling, right? And the first one is we provide a creative support and management for brand scaling. You can see the value and operations and fulfillment support, brand R&D and copyright checks, Shopify store setup and optimization, Meta and Google ad setup, email marketing and automation, customer support and AI chatbot setup, payment gateway and fulfillment setup, project and financial management tools, conversion-driven copywriting, right? This is the first service. And the second thing is complete D2C, POD, Shopify store setups and marketing integrations, right? So we pretty much set up everything for you except the marketing, right? You can see the different things that we help you with these services. And the last one is the consultation call will help you with this will be pretty much a one-on-one strategization to scale your business. This will be a 15 minutes demo, free consultation call, right? And the next thing comes is the different clients results. So we generate results based on the data driven using Meta ads, Google ads, and also AI. And you can see this particular customer was able to make from 12 lakhs per month to 43 lakhs per month in 6 months. And the health and wellness was a niche that they were doing. And what we did was we built retargeting sequence, we did A/B testing on landing pages, we built the funnels and optimized ad creatives, messaging, and a couple of other things. And you can see the different results right underneath. And this is the different client with 242K per month to 675K per month in 5 months. And what we did and the different results and the screenshot underneath. And the different client with a different niche, which is from the skincare. And this is from 30 lakhs per month to 90 lakhs per month in 7 months, and which was from home and the kitchen or niche. And what we did and the different results and the screenshots just underneath, right? And here comes the calendar where you could, this is to book your one-on-one strategy session to scale your business. You can choose your date and pick your time. And based on that, you need to answer a couple of questions, which is name, email, and provide your email, and then your mobile number. And then you can choose your service which you want and what are the different challenges or the obstacles that you have. Based on that, you can choose that option. And you can provide your website URL if you have, and a couple of other things, right? And what is your paid advertising and the performance creative monthly marketing budget that you have, and a couple of other questions, and then schedule your event, right? Something that you could do. And then you can see our different customer testimonials. And then you can see us versus them, what the value we provide from EcomBrandFoundr and others, right? You can see all the value here. It's a lot of value that we provide. It's a personalized one-on-one. So we provide 30 days satisfaction promise, grow with confidence, right? And you can see we have 5 years of experience, worked with 45 brands and generated 3 to 5 million per year, and also 20 million impressions and 3 to 5x in ROAS, right? And then you can see you can go through FAQ, a lot of questions, and also our contact information and different